Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires, front performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.